अब तक आपने बजट के बारे में तो बहुत कुछ सुन लिया होगा, बट लेट मी टेल यू ऑन व्हाट आई थिंक वाज गुड एंड व्हाट वाज मिसिंग। दिस वाज नॉट अ यूजुअल बजट बिकॉज नंबर वन, इट हैड नो फ्रीबीज एंड शॉर्ट टर्म बेनिफिट्स बहुत कम है. Number two, there is no major policy change which would grasp all eyes apart from the fact that tax was increased for traders. But still, it was a decent one because it was around one major theme. And that is capital expenditure for long term growth and big budget allocations to boost manufacturing and self reliance for India. बट दी ओनली प्रॉब्लम इज कि ये सबके रिजल्ट्स लॉन्ग टर्म में आएंगे. लॉन्ग टर्म में रिजल्ट्स डिपेंड करेंगे कि इनका इम्प्लीमेंटेशन कैसा होता है. So on that front, time will tell. But here are a few things with respect to capital investment and manufacturing that I'm still hopeful about. Number one, semiconductor and chips. तो उन्होंने launch किया Indian Semiconductor Mission 2.0 for India to build the capability to design and manufacture chips at home. Number two, rare earth corridors. So they're planning to create mining corridors in 4 mineral-rich states of India: Odisha, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and Andhra Pradesh. Now this is very significant for India because अभी तक China का 90% dominance है on all these rare earth minerals, but India wants to become self-reliant. Number three, Biopharma Shakti. So this project was launched to make India capable of making its own high-value biopharma medicines and vaccines. Before, they want to make India a logistics hub and are investing 10,000 crore to promote the manufacturing of ship containers. Number five, and this was a new one, so they want to invest in the orange or the creative economy, which include content creators, animators, game designers, and comics, by setting up actual training centers for these skills. Now coming to the few things that I think that they could have done better. So number one, they did not address the tariff situation with US. कुछ industries में duty cuts हुए, but there was no major move to address the shock. But two, there was nothing to please foreign investors, and as a result हमने देखा कि कल market के साथ क्या हुआ. Although there were some steps taken to boost NRI investment in Indian companies by increasing their equity holding limit, but nothing major. Number three, there were no direct benefits for the Indian middle class, and that can be a hit for household consumption. Number four, one major aspect that was ignored in the budget was air pollution, जबकि हमारी सारी major cities are struggling with it, but not a word about it. In fact, the budget for environmental protection was slashed, and that was a surprise to me. Overall, the budget was a mixed bag, but actually, the long-term results will depend on the implementation of all of these schemes.